Get the job done easy. Man, let me tell you, I hate how little niggas trying to challenge me, approach me on some grown man shit. Like, I don't play when it come to gloves, bro. I don't play when it come to gloves. Out here. You ain't say how many pounds you weigh, nigga? 250. Damn. He like 6'2", 250. Alright.
No, there is
that shit there.
A tournament.
Nice that dip. Circle out that corner. His dipping shit was me right there. He just swinging. Let that nigga get tired out. Let him get tired out. Let him get tired out. Oh, they coming my way and shit. It's about to go on Fight Night Series 2. Oh, these niggas love the camera. They always follow the camera. Oh, nice body, nice body. Come on. Nah, what the fuck's up with that, yo? He counted your ass. What's up with that? No timeout. Get trashed. That's what it is. Pop it. Ooh, they in my way. They in my way. Great job. Don't let that nigga corner you. He ain't got nowhere to run either. Right to that shit. Right to the dog out there. You gotta stay like this to get you. Wait for the swing. He's southpaw. Get him. He's southpaw. He don't know how to fight south. He don't know how to fight south. Circle to that left. Circle to your left.
Now come here next, nigga.
Oh, I'm really gonna trash you this time, bro. I'm not. You don't even want to get. I don't even want to do this to you.
First round.
I don't even want to do it to you.
Nah, bro.
Hold on, niggas.
Keep going, nigga. Well, you gotta put a time on.
It's not even 3 minutes yet.
Tired as fuck. Did you drink some water or some juice or some orange juice?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, bam!